This video demonstrates the full installation of a Solus fireplace, which includes the following segments: getting started, installing the hearth, installing the surround, installing the trim kit, installing the wall panels. This video is not intended as a replacement for the Solus Fireplace installation guide. We strongly encourage you to read the provided instruction guide before proceeding the installation of a Solus fireplace. Let's get started. When arriving at the location site for the new Solus fireplace, the structure of the fireplace must be reviewed. Find the studs and make sure the fireplace has suitable material for installing the products. The surround must have cement board to prevent combustible issues, and if you are installing tiles on the wall around, there must be plywood on the wall, not drywall. Brian Zaniel explains why.
Because the material being cement-based, it is heavy. We need to have the structure of the plywood to be able to bond to the surface and hold the material. In conjunction with that, we want to make sure our studs behind are tied into the ceiling, and also to have preferably some extra stud material in behind here to attach a lintel to, which will hold the mantle.
Once measurements are taken, fill out the Measure Up Guide and submit it to Solus. If a Measure Up Guide is not provided with the kit, you can find the document on the Solus website.
Determining what the actual fireplace opening is going to depend on the fireplace unit itself. With this unit here, we can see that the actual opening is determined by this edge here, where the cement board substrate ends. So we need to know that dimension, and in this case it's 37 1/4. And then the next important dimension is from this to the outside edge of the substrate. In this case it's 18 1/2. This side should be the same, but you should always check it just in case the fireplace isn't in the center of the wall. We're going to need to know that in case something has to shift or we have to move something around. Then the next dimension that we're looking for is the dimension from the bottom of the opening to the floor or to the hearth top. So in this case, we're measuring to the hearth top, 4 1/2, and then another 7 to the top of the hearth substrate. Then also a measurement to the ceiling from the top of your fireplace opening. And that pretty much gives you the basic fireplace dimensions, which we can make a drawing from.